Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Smart Tag, updated. Open your phone's Bluetooth, install the manufacturer's app, and create a free account before pairing the tag. Start by charging the tag fully and placing it within 3-5 inches of your phone during initial setup. Follow on-screen prompts to name the tag, set two-step verification, and allow location permissions. Test alerts and practice using the Find feature to confirm everything works. Turn on the tag by pressing its button, then open the app and tap Add Device to begin pairing. Grant the app Bluetooth and location access, then select your tag from the listed devices to connect. If pairing fails, reset the tag by holding the button for 10 seconds and retry, keeping the tag near the phone at 3-5 inches. Once paired, assign a friendly name and room to help find items quickly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated with a leak-proof lid and easy carry, perfect while setting up tech. I appreciate every like and subscription because it helps me make more clear, updated guides for you. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Open the app settings to customize alerts, safe zones, and notification sounds for each tag. Enable separation alerts and set geo-fenced safe zones to prevent false alarms when you are at common locations. Use shared access to let family members help locate shared items and sync tag status across devices. Regularly update the tag firmware in the app and replace batteries when low to maintain reliable tracking. Practice locating items weekly to build confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.